Do you want to know how you can sign up for Devin AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Devin AI. Go ahead and search for Devin AI sign up and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official sign up portal of Devin AI. Write down your email address and then go to the password section and create a password for yourself. After you've written down your password, make sure to check it once and then click create account. The first step is to write down your company name and then go to the name section and write down your full name and your last name over here and click on complete the registration. The next step is to verify your account. A mail will be sent to your email by Devin AI. Go ahead and check that mail and then you can click on that mail and you can verify your account. So wait for a while before the page loads up, and if it doesn't open up, go ahead and open your Gmail at once. You can see that this is the confirmation. Go ahead and click here to confirm your email address. Click on leave. You can see that this will load up constantly and you have clicked on the email for you to load your Devin AI, and this way you can verify your account and you can sign up for your Devin AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.